So today I wanted to show you another snack preparation idea for an 18-month-old, 2-year-old. Really depends on their strength, their independence and such. And this is really just cutting an apple with an apple core. So as you've seen, I've prepared everything. It is color coordinated, and then I will work off the tray. And this is a work that needs to be done standing because it does take some strength, and that is how I am going to show the child to use it. I will also have a word of precaution because these are sharp and we just want to be careful. What I've done here is I have prepared the apple, so I have sliced it so that it is stable on the cutting board. An older child could definitely do the entire apple, but it is kind of harder to maneuver. So for the younger child, I have cut it, and I am going to show how to use the apple core. You have a nice, this you can just leave it in. And then we have some nice pieces of apple for snack. This I'm using tongs just to have hygiene if other children will be eating these. This is also another way to use finger movements and strengthen our hands. So just another step, not always necessary, but just very nice. So here you have, and now we have a snack. Perfect.